So here I am bare face. I'm going to prime my face using this Maybelline Fit Me primer. It's a matte and poreless one. Next I'm going to use this Mask Take a Glow highlighter. And I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face. Next I'm going to add some color corrector, orange color corrector. Taking this e.l.f. foundation, I'm going to apply it in dots on all over my face. The foundation is very good. Next I'm going to take this NY Bay foundation concealer stick. I'm going to add some shadow to my face. And this product is very creamy and it is sitting very nicely with the on top of the foundation. Next I'm going to take this concealer. This is very thick and high coverage. The shade is little bit lighter than my skin tone, but yeah, I have applied a little bit of the product and it is given a very good coverage. This concealer is very good for oily skin. It is quite matte. Next I'm going to take this loose powder from Mars Cosmetics. Next I have quickly filled in my brows. For eyeshadow I have taken this Huda Beauty pastel palette, and first I'm going to take this pastel purple shade and apply it on my brow bone and rest of my eyelid to set my eyelid. Then taking this deeper shade, purpley shade, I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my eyelid and then blend it. This gives a beautiful definition to my eyelid. Next I'm going to cut the crease using some concealer. Taking this peachy shade, I'm going to set the concealer. And taking the deeper shade, I'm going to draw a line in my outer corner, angle line. This makes my eyes look lifted. Taking this lighter shade, purpley shade, I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the darker shade and apply it to deepen up my lower lash line. A little bit of mascara. Next I have removed the baking. I have applied a very thin layer of a blue kajal and very gentle and soft eyelash, which is really visible, which looks very close to my lash line. Also I have applied a little bit of mascara and also a little bit of liner in my upper lash line. I'm going to take this blush from NYP. Next, taking this yellow shade, I'm going to blend the blush and the contour and everything. I'm setting my face using Fix Plus. Next, I'm going to take this shimmer brick from Bobbi Brown. It's a beautiful highlighter, and applying it on the highest points of my face. At last, I have applied some gloss lipstick from Little Wild to get some shine in my lips. And yeah, this is my finished look, which is inspired by spring.